Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are going to be making country style sausage with onion gravy. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. To start, heat up a large saucepan with 2 tablespoons of oil. As soon as the oil starts shimmering, add sausages. Then cook over medium-high heat until brown on both sides. This should take 3 minutes per side. And make sure, guys, the sausages are not cooked all the way through. After 3 minutes, flip the sausages once and cook them for another 3 minutes. I love fresh country style rope sausage, guys. What I normally do, I just buy the rope sausage, then just cut it in the same length, just like the way they are here. After 3 minutes, remove the sausages from the pan and place them on a plate, then set aside. In the same pan, add the onions and cook on low to medium heat, stirring occasionally until the onions are translucent. This should take between 4 to 5 minutes. At 4 minutes mark, add minced garlic and stir well. Next, season with garlic powder, paprika, and black pepper, then stir well. Add about 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, stir in and allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Now season with salt to taste. Next, into my homemade broth, I'm gonna add cornstarch. I'm making slurry, guys. Then I'm gonna add the liquids to the onion mixture. Add the sausages back into the pan. Then we're gonna cover with the lid and bring to a boil. Allow to simmer gently over low heat, covered for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is how the gravy should look. It has reduced to half and thick. Now it's ready to be served. Serve along with mashed potatoes and garden peas. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Garnish with parsley and you are ready to dig in. Don't forget to subscribe, share my videos with your friends and your family. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.